Welcome to Dashcam Drama, the battlefield of the open road, where speed collides with pure chaos. Each mile unravels a wild tale, from metal-twisting crashes to heart-stopping near misses you won't believe. Hold tight, because this isn't just a drive, it's a full-blown adrenaline storm on wheels. A moment that took everyone's breath away, but thankfully, everyone's safe. The truck flipped like an action movie scene, shocking at first, but thankfully everyone's fine. This situation was so unexpected, the truck driver did not stop in time. Luckily, no one was injured. The reason why the car stopped is unknown. Let's wait for the police to investigate and see why. According to the dashcam, the Mazda was trying to overtake. Everyone, please be careful in traffic. Please concentrate on driving. According to the video of the scene we saw, was it because the truck was going too fast, or was it because the red car had an accident in front? The container truck was traveling at high speed and the road was slippery with rain, so he lost control of the steering wheel. The car with the dash cam going a little faster certainly wasn't so lucky. Horrible, right? Well, it's raining, and the road is slippery. Luckily, the collision was minor.
Stop! Stop!
The road is this wide and there is still a collision? I really don't understand. It was raining, and the road was slippery, yet he tried to overtake in the wrong lane. Luckily, no one was injured or killed. What kind of truck driver is that? There won't be a chance to make it right next time. Crossing the road like this is just making things difficult for other people. I don't know who issues driving licenses. I don't know if the driver fell asleep or the car lost its brakes. This situation was too dangerous. Luckily, there were no casualties. What is this situation? It's really dangerous. Luckily, no one was injured or killed. This is no longer a supercar. Luckily, there were no casualties. Drive slowly and be safe.
Copy, Stu.
According to dashcam footage, the train may have slipped off the tracks. Hope everyone is safe. You got out of the car without pulling the handbrake, bro. Luckily, you didn't hurt anyone. What a terrible scene. I hope everyone on that road is safe. You've just seen the raw moments where fate slams into fury, reminding us that every turn on the road carries a lesson written in split-second decisions. Stay sharp. Stay alive. Your awareness is the strongest armor you'll ever have. Like, share, and subscribe as we dive deeper into the untold chaos of the world's wildest highways.